Hi everybody! In this fifth lesson, we will discover together the use of the breadboard in creating an electronic circuit. As we saw in the previous lesson, it is almost impossible to build a complex electronic circuit using the Arduino board, only due to the reduced number of digital pins. That is why we are obliged to add to the circuit a breadboard in order to have an extension of pins. Let us first see how the breadboard is made. As you see, it is divided into 4 parts. 1. Look at the 2 external sections where the dots are connected horizontally. I mean, if I use a jumper wire to connect the ground pin from the Arduino board to one of the pins on the breadboard as shown, all the pins in the same rail will be connected to the ground pin and provide 0 volt. 2. Now look at the 2 internal sections where the dots are connected vertically. I mean, if I use a jumper wire to connect digital pin 6 to one on the dot, all the pins in the same vertical rail will be connected to digital pin 6. I will jump to the program Fritzing, which is a simulation software to show you virtual Arduino circuit. Once I set up my Arduino board and the breadboard, I will show you how to build a circuit with 2 LEDs. I use a jumper wire to connect the ground pin to the horizontal rail as shown. Look how all the pins are now colored green. This means that the pins are connected all together to the ground pin. I use another jumper wire to connect the digital pin 5 to one of the pins on the breadboard as shown, and I notice that all the vertical pins are now connected. To complete the circuit, I need to connect 2 LEDs as shown. Don't forget to connect the longer lead to digital pin 6 and the shorter one to ground pin. Once the vertical circuit is done, I will show you the real one how it is functioning. The 2 LEDs are blinking at the same time and same speed since they are both connected to the same digital pin. If I open the software and modify the blinking speed, look at the result. At the end of this lesson, I will ask you to watch the following circuit that shows how to manage the traffic light system. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access 2 additional educational resources.